Today what we'll be doing is we're gonna make a parking pad over here. That is an old stable we have next to our pole barn, and our driveway is over here, and there's always been kind of this natural slope, but I'm gonna bring some dirt in, fill it out over here, level it, make it real nice. So stay tuned, we'll stack some dirt, we'll build a path, and we'll show it to y'all. Nick here, checking in and providing a mid-video update. If you're wondering where we're getting all this dirt from, we're cutting back the hill behind our pole barn. We are prepping the site to have an additional pole barn built, and then using the dirt for this project, as well as adding dirt to our freestyle down ramp for our dirt bikes. To get dirt for this project, we're using the excavator on Beatrice to cut back the hill and make nice, easy, loadable piles. We moved most of the dirt with the tractor, but when possible, we used the backhoe as the bucket's so much larger. To build the remainder of the parking pad, we will continue to do what you saw earlier in the video, stacking dirt and then shaping it with the box blade. Once it's looking real nice, we'll take the backhoe and roll it in, then do any finish shaping if needed. The GoPro died when we were finished grooming the parking pad for the day. After we finished that shaping, we rolled it in one last time and then let it sit. Here we are 1 week later and it looks fantastic after quite a bit of rain. From here, all we will do is let it dry and then add a little bit of topsoil and give it its very last shaping. Throw some grass seed on it and we have a parking pad. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Let us know if you enjoyed it and I'll see you on the next one.